Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Mando and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it has been a long time coming because I have said that I've been trying to do this video for a while, and I honestly have. I just feel like it was never done, but I realized my room is never going to be done, and if it's going to be like that, then this video is never going to come out. And as you can tell in my video, my hair is blonde. My hair is now black or brown, whatever you want to call it. But it's gonna be a redecorating room tour nobody asked for because you don't care, but that's the video for today. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys like a rundown of my room at the end, show you everything where I got, just so that if you want to get some of the things you can get them, because let's like be aesthetic together or whatever. But that's gonna be the video, so if you want to see how I decorated and did everything, keep on watching. Alright, so this is my room right now. I have my desk right here, my bed right there. There's another bed right there that you can see. Sorry, it's kind of dirty, but I want to take out that bed and like toss it, and then move out like this, like leave this there, move that there, but I have to take this bed out, and then that's probably gonna leave it. But then my new setup would be from here to there. Bam, get rid of that old ass TV, get rid of that. But yeah, that's my goal right now, but we'll see how we'll get that started. Alright, so I removed the bed. It's all nice and clean. I wanted to move that there and put my desk there, but my desk is here, there, but then probably move there. I don't know. I'm like low-key stressing out, and then I need to get rid of some shoes because I don't wear them all. But it's gonna be my new setup right here. I have everything on my bed for now before I put it all away, throw it away, or give it to Goodwill. Stressed out still, but we'll get through it. Don't really know, but that's the next move. It's the next. So I decided to move my bed here. This is like day 3 of reorganizing my room. I originally put the desk there and I moved the dresser from here to there, but now this is cluttered and I have all this space, so I'm gonna move my desk from there to here. And yeah, everything is on my bed over here, but we will get that all situated. IKEA has to be one of my favorite stores. Look how cute this is. If I had a house, I would for sure do. I love the greenery. Look. So I got here to IKEA and I think I'm gonna get these 2 shelves, basically just like that, but then 2 others. And I'm also gonna get this cute little mug because it's only 80 cents, so why not? I love getting cute little things like this even though I don't need it. Also thinking about getting this huge mirror for my room, but I'm gonna wait till I get paid because it is $129, so I'll wait. Alright, so I just left IKEA, but I did something very major. I adopted a kid. Well, not really. But I got this plant. Look at it. Yeah, so I got this plant. I didn't get the cup of coffee thing because I wanted to get this instead. And it's a live plant, not a fake one. So I'm gonna see how long it lasts. I really want to like make sure it keeps up, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that I got this. Sorry, I was looking here, the camera's here. It's because it's my iPhone. Forgot my camera at home. Okay, so I also wanted to show you this DIY. I got this frame at the dollar store, but it's silver and it's pretty ugly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some black paint. I think I got this at Michael's, but it's just regular black paint. Just paint the edges black so that it can be a black frame, and then I'm gonna insert something that I printed in here, and then you're gonna see in the room tour, but just wanted to show you the process before I go ahead and do it. Okay, so this is the final look. What's up? So it ended up being like this. This is just a little overall view of the new setup. So first, in this room tour, start off with my closet here. I like to keep a lot of like my hoodies and jackets and stuff, and then these are just like miscellaneous dress shirts because I never wear them, so I put them on the same side. I have that shoe holder here with all of my shoes. If you want to know where I got it, I think I got it on Amazon for like $15, but I think right now it's like $70. I don't know why. I have this printer that I got from Walmart for like $30. And then I have like a bit of shorts just because I don't really wear these and summer is officially over. Then I have more shoes right here. I have like dressier shirts, or dressier shoes I mean. Then I have these iconic shoes by Kanye. I used to buy all of the shoes, but it was getting too expensive, so yeah. Then over here I have like, I try to keep this organized for the most part. As you can see, I wear like 3 colors. I have my white shirts, my gray shirts, I don't know what color it is, like navy blue, black, and then these are just like long sleeve, and these are like shirts I don't really wear, so I might get rid of. That's why I keep them in this section. I have all of my pants on this side, and then I have all of my stuff that I used for when I dyed my hair so much. As you can see, I wear like black and navy blue and like a bit. This is like my, I don't know what to call it. And then I have my shorts, but I might put my shorts because summer is well, it's over, but I still wear shorts right now. Over here I have my little tripod that I use sometimes. I have this fake plant that my mom knows I like love fake plants for some reason. I have a Louis Vuitton little bag. I have the It's a Hot Boy Fall because Megan Thee Stallion, you already know about her. As you can tell, Louis Vuitton is like one of my favorite brands. In this one I carry all of my socks. As you can see, it's organized like the Marie Kondo style because it just looks better and it helps me when I'm doing my laundry. Here I just have my undershirts, underwear, and some gym shorts right here. Again, the Marie Kondo. This one I have like tees that I wear to the gym and not really like going out, so that's why I have that here. And then in the bottom I have like sweatpants and stuff, MacBook charger. Then I got this mirror just so I can take pictures. I feel like it's small, but it's like not that big. I don't know, I didn't know mirrors were so expensive. This cost $55 at Walmart because I wanted another mirror, but it was $150, and that was too much. And then this I still haven't got rid of because my mom said she's gonna buy me a TV, but we don't know when that's happening. In this corner I just have miscellaneous like stuff, and then we're not gonna open up these drawers because they are quite dirty. But I have my Versace bag with like a thing, another fake plant, mirror just for the fun of it. Then I have these posters that I'm supposed to be putting up like here, here, and here, but I just haven't got to. I have this bed. I think I got this bed sheets and stuff at IKEA. Then I have the desk that you all see all the time. Oops, it's trash. But I have a trash can there. Then I have my desk, IKEA. I feel like everyone has this. I got this on Amazon. I don't know what it's called, but if I find the link, I will link it below. This is a plant that you probably have seen. I have the Ariana Grande 2018 Woman of the Year right here, along with another iconic. Right now it is October, so I am a little festive. I think I got both of these at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. Then I got this plant for my other video, the one where I take a date by myself and bought this. Have another fake plant right here that I got at IKEA for $5. See, this plant is like almost dying. I might just start buying fake ones all the time. But here I have a little board, like a dream board. For like the subscribers, YouTube ideas, I have this quote that you will make it one day because keep inspiring. Then I have this little like board. I think I got this at Walmart, got this at Target. They're obviously the same brand, which is kind of weird. I think I might have got this at Target then. But I have like little things. I have this like weekly to-do list that I always keep. I have my little like ring light that I got off of Amazon. I'll link that. Then I also have this that I got off of Amazon. I got it on sale because I follow this thing on Twitter that has a lot of sales, so I got that so it can help me like my laundry doesn't look ugly. Then I have this IKEA rack that you probably have seen in my other videos. I have this little off-white belt, my camera bag, even though I have a Sony. I have that down there. I got that from Forever 21 that just says like, comment, subscribe. I have my little Amazon Alexa. Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call Aquaman's friends who didn't show up to his party? Fish flakes.
Ooh, that was low-key kind of funny. But I got this at IKEA. I think it was like 12 bucks, so super cheap. Then I just have some of my favorite like outfits. I don't know, I feel like I just have these here just for like the aesthetic and look. I honestly don't even know if I wear some of these clothes, so might go through it. I'm just gonna go ahead and end it off here because we're already here and might as well, instead of getting it all set up again. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you want to know where I got some of these things that I didn't mention, or just tell me what you liked from my room. I feel like I'm always upgrading my room because I'm always changing my likes and stuff. But don't forget to follow me on my social medias. My Instagram and my Twitter are both mandoulysses. But thank you so much. I love you guys. Peace out.